Welcome to a tutorial on how to use a menu style template. Menu style templates are great for organizing and navigating PowerPoint presentations with great ease. It helps the presenter be able to skip to certain sections of the PowerPoint presentation without having to flip through individual slides. We are going to be following 3 simple steps: type in titles, add content, hyperlink subheading buttons. The first 2 steps is inserting your information the exact same way you would for any other PowerPoint presentation you do. The last step is the only step that is unique to menu style templates. It is what makes your PowerPoint interactive. You can edit and use menu style templates exactly like regular PowerPoint templates. The only difference is that your first slide does not just contain the title of your presentation, but it also contains 7 subheading buttons, which will be hyperlinked to the 7 main subsections of your presentation to help you navigate your presentation. The first step is to type in the title of your presentation. We are done with our first step. Now we are ready for our second step. Our second step is to add content. You simply click under your menu slide to add a new slide, and you can change the slide layout and begin typing. But if you're transferring slides from a previous presentation, like what I'm going to be doing in this tutorial, you simply go to the presentation you want to insert and copy and paste it into the new template. Click select and then select all, and then click copy. Go to the new template and click under the menu slide and paste the slides there. And if some of the slides did not transfer perfectly to the new template, instead of adjusting each individual slide, to save time, right click and click reset slide. Now you are ready for your final step: hyperlink subheading buttons. Remember, when you are hyperlinking your subheading buttons, you are creating links only to the main sections in your PowerPoint presentation. You are not creating links for each individual slide. There are 2 ways to hyperlink your subheading buttons. You can type in the title of the first subsection into the first subheading button. And then hyperlink the button by clicking the button, clicking insert, clicking hyperlink, click place in this document, and click the slide where that topic begins, and click OK. A second, faster and easier way if you do not want to type in your subheading titles is to click inside the box, click insert, then hyperlink, place in this document, and click the slide where that topic begins, and click OK. And the title is automatically inserted and hyperlinked for you. If you need additional subheading buttons, you simply copy and paste one of the other subheading buttons. You may have to shrink the size in order for it to fit. But if you're needing a lot of buttons because your presentation is large, I would recommend using the drop-down menu template because it contains more buttons. Once you have hyperlinked all your subheading buttons, when you click on your subheading buttons, they will jump to the slide you hyperlinked that button to. You are able to go linearly throughout your entire PowerPoint presentation. But if you need to revisit a certain section of your PowerPoint presentation without flipping through individual slides, you can. You now have an interactive PowerPoint presentation. To review, the 3 steps are type in titles, add content, hyperlink subheading buttons. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you need additional help, you can visit our FAQ or Contact Us page.